How in the world are you supposed to remember this formula, which helps you find the vertex of a parabola? It gives you the x coordinate here. My students always forget this formula, so today I'm going to show you a little magic trick how you can remember it forever. We can think, okay, this parabola, which I've drawn the example, has two roots, two places it touches the x-axis. And these roots are going to be given by the quadratic formula, negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, which even though it's a more complicated formula, nevertheless you use it all the time, so it's easy to remember. And now notice we have two roots here. One of them's plus, one of them's minus, but notice the vertex is right between these two. The vertex is the midpoint, speaking in terms of x coordinates. And so what's in the middle of minus the square root and plus the square root? Well, you take the square root part and you just cross it out to obtain the midpoint. And so we are left with negative b over 2a. All right. Now, even though this magic trick, the logic I explained only applies if it has two roots. For example, you could have a parabola where it never touches the x-axis, and then this logic wouldn't hold. Nevertheless, the formula is exactly the same. And this isn't a formal proof. This is just a trick that you can use to remember this for life. Like and subscribe and check out my other content if you want to see more things like this.